a very simple, I have simplified this just to remember that if we are sitting 100 people here, 6 of us will get HLA, will be positive for HLA B27. So the normal population, this is not also very, I'll show you that how it differs even in India from the north side, Delhi, Lucknow and this thing, the prevalence is around 6%. If we'll go down to Kerala, if anybody from Kerala here? No. Then the prevalence is around only 2%. So the prevalence of ankylosing spondylitis or SpA is more in north than the south. So when we discuss among us, the rheumatologists, then the south, they see less than the north. That is because of the difference in the HLA B27 prevalence. And percentage of, suppose 100 patients are now HLA B27 positive, only 6% will have the disease. Okay. And if you have a family member of HLA B27 positive or your first degree relative is HLA B27 is having SpA, if you have HLA B27 positive, then the risk is more. It's around 10%. So HLA B27 is not spondyloarthritis. And you can see the HLA B27 prevalence throughout the world. I was telling you that even in India, India is here. So North India it is around 6, the downstream it is around 2. So the prevalence goes down. In the South America and South Africa, there is prevalence is 0. So most probably again there is a link between infection and HLA B27 positivity. People tell me HLA B27 most probably protects from, it's something kind of a malarial selection pressure and this thing. So if you have a high incidence of malaria and this thing, then maybe this HLA B27 is. So that's how people are trying to now find out many relations. Even the people have started finding some relation with HIV prevalence and the prevalence of this thing. So the frequency of HLA B27 again depend on the which disease you are looking at. Suppose reactive arthritis, we have done publication where we have found that 80% people are HLA B27 positive. Whereas ankylosing spondylitis, I have told you those who are having HLA B27 positive, they will have more progression. So around 90% will have positivity. Psoriasis, around 50% will have. So psoriasis patient, HLA B27 negativity is very common. So don't think that psoriasis with HLA B27 positive will be psoriatic arthritis. So this is the article, it was my DM thesis actually. So we have shown that reactive arthritis, all the time it will not have that infection history. Infection history only happen 50%. So patients we used to tell that undifferentiated spondyloarthritis. We have done the B27 genetic subtyping. We have seen, looked at all the cytokines and everything. Then what we have realized is they are actually the same disease, whether they have a history of infection or not.